Your car battery helps kickstart your engine and powers electrical features when the engine is off. A good working battery helps to ensure you won't be left stranded. Fact is, all batteries lose their spark eventually. It's usually pretty obvious. You may hear a slow engine crank when you start your car, see the check engine or battery light in the instrument cluster, or corrosion around the terminal posts, or smell a stinky rotten egg odor. It may be time for a new battery. Mileage and age are major factors. Over time, your battery's energy source wears out, preventing it from recharging. Sitting for prolonged periods of time and extreme temperatures can also shorten battery life. Hotter climates tend to kill a battery quicker than cooler climates. Plus, driving short distances with heavy accessory use can also diminish its charge, as this doesn't allow enough time for the battery to recharge. Or you simply left your interior or exterior lights on overnight. And if you have a faulty alternator, it won't charge the battery as you drive. Unfortunately, like all parts, batteries run their course too. Most last about 5 years depending on where and how you drive. Play it safe and have it checked every time you change your oil. Or let us do it as part of the Works vehicle checkup. Call to schedule an appointment to see our factory-trained technicians.